Alright, man. Y'all see how this new rotor, I don't know y'all can see for real because it's so damn bright out. Y'all see how the new rotor look, man. Now look at this old one. Look at the old one. Look at that shit. What the fuck? I don't think this shit been done since '06. Look at that shit. Hit the brake pad. Look at the brake pads. Look at this shit, man. What the hell? That's what we got. These are the new ones we got. That shit crazy. The other side even worse. That's the heck on the other side. Look at this shit, man. What the fuck is this? This shit is terrible. I'm scared to touch it. Yeah, he can. Terrible. They go to brake pads. That's what I really look. It's fucked up, but you know, wait till you see this other one. Watch. Look at this shit. What the fuck is this? What was this bitch stopping? This is terrible. Look at this shit. Crazy.